What's up, guys? All muscle. Anyways, we're getting ready to roll on this little trip that I've been talking about. Got my E55, here she is. Nice and ready. We polished out that headlight. Actually polished out both of them. Come out looking pretty good. Anyways, so far this car has been in my possession for about 6 months. There's a new set of tires we put on there. So we ended up putting a set of tires on it, doing some motor mounts, trans mount. Ended up putting a new door handle on it, and we had a slight misdiagnosis. Show you what I'm talking about here. My previous video, I showed that we had to replace some radiator O-rings, and I thought that was the problem. We had a leaking radiator, as what ended up being. We had put also a new air duct on here. One of the air ducts was bad, and one of the okay, so on the hoses, basically where the radiator hose sits, I'll show you the radiator here in a second. But anyways, we ended up putting a radiator in it. Luckily, at the last minute when we fired it up, we ended up noticing that there was a leak, and so we needed a radiator like immediately. And we couldn't order one because it wasn't going to get there in time, and none of the parts, local parts suppliers had one in stock for that vehicle. But luckily I had just picked up this 06 CDI, this diesel car, and the radiator part numbers matched. So we went ahead and pulled it and used it from that car. So this is the radiator that came out of the 55. So I'll show you here what I initially thought was leaking. I'm going to flip this over for a second. What I initially thought was leaking was, I don't know if you could see that there. There's some antifreeze. Looks like it being sprayed onto here. Well, the hose that goes in here has an O-ring, and it sits in there, and that's initially what I thought it was leaking. So misdiagnosis on that. What it ended up being is that there was a crack right in this channel here. I don't know if you could see that, and it was spraying right here, and then the intake was actually sucking it through the little intake elbow, and luckily it didn't, get in bad enough and past the filter and flood the motor. But anyways, the crack right here, I don't know if you can see that, but very small hairline crack. Actually took us a minute to find it, because I've never seen that before. Usually they start leaking from the side tanks, and that's what I was looking at. But anyways, she's ready to roll. We got the new rear airbags in it. Currently it's sitting down in sport 2 mode on the suspension. There's adjustments on the airmatic, which allows you to lower and lift the vehicle. And currently she's sitting on sport 2 mode. Anyways, we're gonna get ready to roll. We got the car washed up. Got some tire dressing on the tires. She's looking real pretty, a lot nicer than obviously when I first got it. She had some bullshit aftermarket rims on it. We ended up getting a set of these. These are the 09 style AMG, the ones that come on the AMG sport packages. A lot of these wheels are real popular. A lot of people like to run them on various things, but I like them. They match the car. They're gray. They're silver. The car's silver. I think it's a nice shot. I don't know if you noticed, but the center cap on that one and on the other two on the other side are actually silver. And then I did something different, and I painted the center on that one in black. So I don't know. I'm trying to decide which one I like better. But either way, I think they both look nice. But anyways, we're gonna roll out of here, and I'll keep you guys posted. But that's a wrap for the E55, guys. That's it. She's gonna be ready for sale. I'm gonna put it up, be on probably, I don't know, in about a couple weeks. I'll probably drive it for a little bit. Put it up in a couple weeks, and probably post it up on Auto Trader or whatnot. You guys can check it out. Give me a call. Anyways, that's a wrap for this one. We'll talk to you guys soon. We're gonna get on the road. You guys be safe. What's up, guys? All muscle. We made it to the destination here. I'm gonna walk around a little bit, see if you guys can guess where I'm at. What's up, dude?
Nice to meet you.
Got a couple girls with us. Got to bring the girls. They want to have fun too. Anyways, there's some signage. Elevators to casino. Okay, so we're in a casino so far. Where are we going, dude? Hey, we need to make a left. We need to just go left and then that way. What's up, little girl?
Hi.
What do we got here? No car or no car? There we go. Speed limit 5. How do you say that? Emps? Emp? 5 emp? Emp? Emps. Ooh, there's a hit for you. Without a plate. Alright. Alright, so here's the casino. This is actually the South Point Casino right now, guys. We're in Vegas. It's about a 2-hour drive from my house, 2.5 hours. We got here pretty quickly in the 55, as you can imagine. Had it steady. Try to keep it under 100 the whole way, but that car does not like to be under 100. Anyways, we're staying at the South Point. Today is November 4th. We're going to be going to the SEMA show. That's the big ticket there. That's what we're doing. So for right now, I'm gonna let you guys go, and then once we get checked in here, and then tomorrow, this show doesn't start till tomorrow. Once we get checked in, I'll take you guys into the show a little bit and show you around. But anyways, signing off for now. We're gonna get going. Take care.